In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Visme. Whether you're working on a presentation, an infographic, or even a report, tables are a fundamental way to organize and display data clearly and effectively. So, let's dive right in with the first step. To start, you'll need to log into your Visme account and either open an existing design or create a new project where you'd like to add the table. This could be any type of document, perhaps a presentation slide, an infographic layout, or a detailed report. Once you've settled on the project you want to work with, we're ready to explore the design tools that Visme offers. Now, take a look at the left-hand sidebar of the Visme editor. Here, you'll find various options to enhance your design. What we're interested in today is the Data tab. Click on it to unveil all the data tools at your disposal. Within the Data section, you'll notice an option labeled Tables. This is where you can begin constructing your table. When you enter the Tables area, Visme offers a couple of convenient choices. First, there are pre-filled tables. These come with templates suited for a variety of industries, providing a great starting point if you're looking for something that's quick to set up and already styled for specific data types. However, if your needs require something more bespoke, selecting a blank table allows you to define exactly how many rows and columns you need from the outset. This customizable option ensures that regardless of your project requirements, you can create a table that fits perfectly. Once you've chosen the type of table that suits your project, be it pre-filled or blank, you can insert it into your design. After you've done this and have the table on your canvas, the real customization begins. Click on the table to select it. You'll see an option to edit, or alternatively, you can simply double-click the table. This action will open up the interface where you can modify the content to suit your data needs. Each cell within the table is clickable, allowing you to enter text, numeric data, or even symbols. To streamline navigation within the table and keep your workflow smooth, you can use the Tab key. When not actively editing a cell, pressing Tab will move you efficiently from one cell to the next. Should you need to amend the structure of your table as you work, that's entirely possible too. By clicking on the corner of a cell, you can manipulate the rows and columns. Right-clicking within the table is another powerful tool, opening a menu with options to cut, copy, paste, merge, or delete cells, rows, or columns as needed. By following these steps, you'll have a tailored table integrated into your Visme project, ready to present your data clearly and professionally. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing in Visme.